Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the screen size in your OBS Studio while you're recording. As you can see, I'm also recording this video right now, so you will see the change in the real time in this video. So first of all, to change the screen size in your OBS, just choose the scenario that you're recording right now. Like I'm recording the display capture with the scene 2 right now, and this is recording the whole of my Windows desktop. So to change the screen size, you can see you just need to click on this, and here you need to go to the corner, and you can just like this, you can change the screen size. As you can see, it will maintain the aspect ratio of the screen recording here. But if you want to change the screen size with the C transform here, just hold the shift button, then go to the any corner, and now as you can see, the recording is now the full screen size, but it's now on free transform. So just adjust the screen size holding your shift key, and then again just press shift key here. You can adjust the size here. But if you want to zoom in or crop the size of your skin, you want to record a specific area of your skin, you just need to press or hold Alt from your keyboard, and now you can crop the size of your skin size. As you can see, you can crop the skin size like this. So that's it guys, this is the 2-way or 3 method that I show you to change the skin size in your OBS Studio. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.